Hi, I'm Aditi Shanbagh and I'm a chartered accountant. I'm working in the corporate internal controls team at HCCB. While I was doing my internship for becoming a chartered accountant, I was always on the other side of the fence. I was seeing if the balance sheet matched, if the numbers tallied, but I never thought about what happens on the other side of the table, how the manufacturing happens. So joining HCCB for me was an eye-opener. It was a revelation. During our induction, we went to Birdi plant and I was like a kid. I just kept running around everywhere safely, taking the molds, seeing the preforms, seeing how the bottles kept running on the tracks. Are they called tracks? I don't know. But anyways, it was just a fascinating experience. Now every time I pick up a Kinley or a Maaza or a Sprite bottle, in my mind, I'm imagining how it came there. It opens up a horizon. Working in a manufacturing industry is a learning experience from the start to the end. You learn something new every day. And it's not just the factory in isolation. I also got to see how these industries affect the communities around them. There were schools, we had put up water dispensers. It's so much more because no one can work in isolation. When I interviewed for this job, I was asked what's my one goal? And I said growth. I want to grow. I landed at the right place. HCCB has given me a platform to grow and it will give it to you too. So if you're looking for a place to intern, there's nothing better than HCCB. It's the leading FMCG company, has an impeccable work culture and you'll get amazing exposure. What more can we ask for?